Pakistan, officially the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, is a South Asian country with a rich history, diverse geography, and a complex socio-political landscape. It shares borders with India to the east, Afghanistan and Iran to the west, and China to the north, while the Arabian Sea lies to its south. With a population exceeding 240 million, it is the fifth most populous country in the world and the second largest Muslim-majority nation. Pakistan gained independence from British rule on August 14, 1947, following the partition of India, and has since experienced periods of military rule, democratic governance, and economic fluctuations. Its capital is Islamabad, while Karachi, Lahore, and Faisalabad serve as major economic and cultural hubs. Pakistan's terrain is diverse, encompassing the towering peaks of the Himalayas in the north, including K2, the second highest mountain in the world, the fertile plains of Punjab, the vast deserts of Sindh, and the rugged Baluchistan plateau. The country's climate varies from arid and semi-arid regions to temperate and alpine zones, making it home to a wide range of flora and fauna. The Indus River, the lifeline of Pakistan, supports its agriculture-based economy, which is complemented by industries such as textiles, manufacturing, and information technology. Pakistan's economy is classified as a developing one, with significant contributions from remittances, exports, and services, although it faces challenges like inflation, fiscal deficits, and external debts. The country's strategic location at the crossroads of South Asia, Central Asia, and the Middle East makes it geopolitically significant, leading to both opportunities and conflicts. Pakistan has played a key role in regional politics, particularly in relation to Afghanistan and its ties with global powers like China and the United States. It has a long-standing rivalry with India, primarily over the disputed region of Jammu and Kashmir, which has led to multiple wars and ongoing border tensions. Domestically, Pakistan has faced political instability, with frequent shifts in governance between military and civilian rule, often marred by corruption allegations and legal battles. Despite these challenges, Pakistan has made strides in various sectors, including nuclear power, space technology, and defense production, being one of the few nuclear-armed nations. It is also a member of international organizations like the United Nations, the Organization of Islamic Cooperation (OIC), and the Shanghai Cooperation Organization (SCO). Pakistan's cultural heritage is deeply rooted in its ancient history, with influences from the Indus Valley Civilization, Persian, Greek, and Islamic traditions. The country boasts historical sites like Mohenjo-Daro, Taxila, and Lahore Fort, reflecting its diverse past. Its literature, poetry, music, and art are highly regarded, with figures like Allama Iqbal, Faiz Ahmed Faiz, and Abida Parveen contributing to global cultural discourse. Pakistani cuisine is rich and flavorful, with dishes like biryani, nahari, and kebabs being popular both locally and internationally. Cricket is the most beloved sport, with the national team having won multiple international tournaments, while other sports like hockey, squash, and polo also have a strong following. The education system in Pakistan includes a mix of public and private institutions, with efforts underway to improve literacy rates and access to quality education, although challenges like gender disparity and lack of resources persist. Pakistan's healthcare system is similarly divided between public and private sectors, with major advancements in medical research and treatments but still struggling with issues like inadequate infrastructure and disease outbreaks. The country has witnessed significant developments in technology, telecommunications, and digital finance, with a growing number of startups and entrepreneurs contributing to economic growth. Pakistan is also highly vulnerable to climate change, experiencing extreme weather events such as floods, droughts, and heatwaves, prompting efforts to enhance environmental policies and disaster preparedness. Socially, Pakistan remains a blend of conservative and progressive values, where traditional family structures coexist with modern influences, and the youth population plays a crucial role in shaping the country's future. Religious diversity exists, although minorities often face challenges in terms of rights and representation. The media landscape is vibrant, with numerous television channels, newspapers, and digital platforms covering a wide range of perspectives, despite occasional censorship and restrictions on freedom of speech. Pakistan's infrastructure is steadily improving, with projects like the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC) enhancing connectivity, trade, and energy supply, although urbanization and population growth continue to strain resources. The legal system is based on a mix of Islamic law and British colonial-era statutes, with ongoing debates on judicial independence and legal reforms. Women's rights and gender equality remain critical issues, with increasing activism and policy measures aimed at improving women's participation in education, workforce, and politics. Tourism in Pakistan is growing, with visitors attracted to its breathtaking landscapes, historical sites, and cultural festivals, although security concerns have historically impacted the sector. In recent years, Pakistan has also been focusing on enhancing digital governance, improving cyber